Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the leader class is unlocked and meets the minimum level requirement. Check talent nodes and passive bonuses. Next, equip the Dead Spells item set and slot the leader ability into your primary bar so you can trigger it immediately. Once done, assign a quick bind for activation and clear non-essential inventory. Make sure you leave 0. 5 slots for crafting reagents. This ensures you can cast without interruption and positions you to follow the optimized rotation right away. You open combat by activating the leader buff to grant group bonuses, then immediately chain 2 dead spells within a 6-second window to stack effects. While casting, monitor your resource meter and keep it between 40 and 60% by using short cooldowns. This avoids clogs and lets you sustain uptime. During engagements, position yourself to cast from the flank rather than head-on to increase the spell's potency and reduce enemy disruptions. Keep communicating with teammates so you can time area effects effectively. You finish encounters by timing the ultimate leader dead spell to coincide with enemy vulnerability, securing the highest damage multiplier. After the fight, reallocate any surplus talent points into defensive nodes if you suffered frequent interrupts, which stabilizes your execution. If the plan fails in practice, reset your action binds, re-equip the leader dead spell set, and run a quick practice on a training dummy to rebuild muscle memory. A single troubleshooting tip. If casts keep dropping, check latency, and then remap the quick bind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.